Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free? The coffee shop is very busy today. I do not want to sit alone if you do not mind.
Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free? The coffee shop is very busy today. I do not want to sit alone if you do not mind.
Thank you. My name is Sophia. I come here sometimes, but today I came early because I wanted a quiet morning.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I am Alex. I like mornings too because they help me think about life and future plans.
That sounds interesting. I think about my future a lot these days. I am 21, so I feel that many big choices are waiting for me.
I understand that feeling. I am 35 now, and I still think about the future often. Life changes, so our plans can change too.
Really? I thought older people were always sure about everything. Sometimes I feel nervous because I do not know the perfect plan yet.
Most people are not sure all the time. We just learn to stay calm and take one step at a time. A future plan does not need to be perfect.
That makes me feel better. Right now, I am studying business at college. In the future, I want to work in marketing or start a small company.
Those are good goals. Marketing is useful in many fields, and a small company can grow slowly and strongly. What kind of company do you want to start one day?
I want to start an online shop for simple lifestyle products, maybe notebooks, bags, or home decorations. I like things that are beautiful but also useful.
That idea sounds clear and practical. You already know your style and your interest. That is a strong beginning for any future business.
I hope so. Sometimes I imagine my life 5 years from now. I see myself working hard, learning new skills, and living in a bright apartment in a nice city.
That is a good picture to keep in your mind. When we can imagine our future clearly, it becomes easier to move toward it. Do you want to stay in this city, or do you want to move?
I think I want to move for a while. I would like to live in New York or maybe Chicago. I want to experience a new place and become more independent.
Living in a new city can teach you a lot. You learn how to manage money, time, and daily life by yourself. It can feel hard at first, but it also makes you stronger.
Yes, that is exactly what I want. I want to grow up more and trust myself. I do not want to be afraid of the world forever.
That is a healthy way to think. Fear is normal, but it should not control your whole life. Courage often starts with small actions, not big dramatic ones.
I like that sentence. Small actions feel possible to me. For example, I want to improve my English this year because I think it will help my future a lot.
It definitely will. English can help you study, travel, meet people, and run a business. What is your English goal for the next 12 months?
I want to speak more naturally and understand native speakers better. I also want to feel confident in interviews and meetings. Sometimes I know the words, but I feel shy when I speak.
That is very common. Confidence grows with practice, not with waiting. If you speak a little every day, your future self will thank you.
I am trying to do that now. I watch English videos, listen to podcasts, and repeat useful sentences. I also write short plans for my future in a notebook.
That is an excellent habit. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and notice your progress. When people write their goals, they often become more serious about them.
Do you write your goals too? You seem calm and organized. I feel like you probably have a very clear plan for your future.
I do write them down, yes. My future plan is not perfect, but it is simple and honest. I want a balanced life with meaningful work, good health, and strong relationships.
That sounds mature and peaceful. Many people only talk about money or success. I like that you also care about health and relationships.
Those things matter a lot in the long run. Money is important, of course, but it is not the whole life. If you are tired, lonely, or unhealthy, success feels empty.
I agree with you. In my future, I want a job that gives me enough money, but I also want time for family and friends. I do not want to be busy every minute.
That is a wise goal. A good future is not only about earning more, it is also about living in a way that feels right to you.
Can I ask about your work? What do you want to do in the future? Have your dreams changed since you were younger?
Yes, they have changed. When I was younger, I wanted a big title and a very fast career. Now I still work hard, but I want work that helps people and gives me peace.
That is interesting. So your future is less about status now. It is more about meaning, right?
Exactly. I want to mentor younger people, build something useful, and have time for the people I care about. I also want to travel more and enjoy simple moments.
Travel is one of my dreams too. I want to visit London, Seoul, and Paris one day. I think travel can change the way we see the world and ourselves.
It can. Travel teaches patience, flexibility, and curiosity. Even a short trip can give you a fresh mind and new ideas for your future.
I also want to help my parents in the future. They work very hard, and I want to make their life easier one day. That dream gives me a lot of motivation.
That is a beautiful goal. When your future includes love and gratitude, it becomes even more powerful. Supporting your family can be a strong reason to keep going.
Sometimes I worry that I will fail. What if my plans do not work? What if I choose the wrong job or move to the wrong city?
Those thoughts are normal, but no choice teaches you nothing. Even if one plan fails, you still gain experience, strength, and clearer direction. Failure is not the end of your future.
I need to remember that. I often think one mistake can ruin everything. Maybe I put too much pressure on myself.
Many young people do that. They think life is one big test with only one right answer. But life is usually a long path with many turns and many chances.
That makes the future sound less scary. Maybe I do not need to know every detail today. Maybe I only need a general direction and a few next steps.
Yes, that is a smart way to think. You can choose a direction, then keep learning as you go. The future becomes easier when you break it into small pieces.
Then my next steps are clear. I will improve my English, finish my classes, save more money, and learn about online business. Those are not huge steps, but they feel real.
Those steps are excellent. They are specific, useful, and possible. Small, clear actions often build a stronger future than big, vague dreams.
Do you believe people can change their future by changing their daily habits? I have been thinking about that a lot lately. It seems simple, but maybe it is true.
I believe it very strongly. Daily habits shape our skills, mood, and character over time. Your future is often built quietly in your normal days.
I love that idea. It means the future is not far away only. It starts with what I do this week, today, and even this morning.
Yes, exactly. A better future usually begins with ordinary choices. Wake up on time, study a little, move your body, and stay consistent.
Health is another thing I want to improve. In the future, I want to feel strong, peaceful, and full of energy. I do not want to ignore my body while I chase success.
That is very important. Good sleep, exercise, and healthy food support every other dream. It is hard to build a bright future on an exhausted body.
You speak in a very clear way. I feel like I am learning life advice and English at the same time. I am really glad I sat here today.
I am glad too. Sometimes a simple conversation at a coffee shop can become meaningful. We all need moments like this to think more deeply.
There is one more thing I want in my future. I want to become a confident woman who can speak kindly, work seriously, and make good decisions. I want to respect myself more.
That is a powerful goal. Confidence does not arrive in one day, but it grows through action and self-respect. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you become stronger.
I never thought about confidence that way. So confidence is not only a feeling, it is also a result of action. That idea helps me a lot.
Yes, exactly. When your actions match your values, confidence grows naturally. You trust yourself more because you see your own effort.
In the future, I also hope to have good people around me. I want honest friends, a supportive partner, and a peaceful home. I think the people around us shape our life a lot.
They do. The right people can encourage your growth and protect your peace. Choosing your circle carefully is also part of building your future.
What about love? Do you think people should plan for love too? Or is love something that just happens when the time is right?
Love cannot be controlled like a schedule, but we can prepare for it by becoming healthy people. If you know your values and treat others well, you create better chances for real love.
That sounds balanced and true. I do not want to rush into the wrong relationship just because I feel lonely. I want something honest in the future, not something temporary.
That is a strong decision. Waiting for the right connection is often better than forcing the wrong one. A peaceful heart is worth protecting.
This talk is making me think more clearly. My future does not need to look perfect on social media. It only needs to be real, healthy, and meaningful for me.
That is a very mature thought. Many people waste time comparing their future to other people's lives. But your path should fit your own heart, not somebody else's image.
Thank you, Alex. I feel calmer now, and I also feel more hopeful. Before this conversation, my future felt like a big cloud, but now it feels like a road.
I am happy to hear that. A road is a good image because roads are made for moving forward. You do not need to see the whole journey to begin.
When I go home today, I will write a simple future plan. I will write my goals for 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Then I will choose a few habits to start this week.
That is a great idea. Keep it simple and honest, and review it often. A plan works best when it guides you without controlling you too much.
I will do that. I also want to practice speaking about the future more often. It is useful in daily life, school, work, and even conversations like this.
Absolutely. Talking about the future helps you express hope, intention, and direction. It is one of the most useful skills in both language and life.
I am really grateful for this conversation. I came here just to drink coffee, but now I am leaving with new ideas. Today feels special to me.
Sometimes the best moments are unexpected. I only wanted a quiet coffee too, and now I have had a meaningful talk with a thoughtful person. That is a good morning.
Before I go, can I say one thing? In the future, I want to remember this version of myself, the one who decided to be brave, start small, and keep moving forward.
Yes, and you should remember her. She is the beginning of your next chapter. Your future will be built by the choices you make from this point on.
Thank you, Alex. I am going to carry these words with me. I hope our paths cross again sometime.
You are welcome, Sophia. I hope so too. Take care of yourself, believe in your steps, and enjoy building your future.
I will. Have a wonderful day, Alex. And thank you again for the coffee shop wisdom.
Have a wonderful day, Sophia. Good luck with your English, your dreams, and your bright future.